In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on automatic site language redirection in Shopify. This feature can be incredibly helpful for businesses that operate in multiple regions or cater to a diverse audience who speak different languages. By enabling automatic language redirection, you ensure that your visitors will see your website in the language that matches their browser settings, creating a more seamless and user-friendly experience. To get started, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look at the options listed on the left side of the screen. There, you'll see various sections such as Home, Orders, Products, and several others. For this task, you'll need to click on Online Store. A drop-down menu will appear as soon as you click it. In this drop-down, you'll notice options like Themes, Blog Posts, Pages, and others, but the one you should select is Preferences. Go ahead and click on Preferences to navigate to the relevant settings page. This area is where you can adjust some of the fundamental settings for your online store, and it's crucial for enhancing the user experience for your visitors. Now, once you find yourself in the Preferences section, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Automatic Redirection. This is where the magic happens. This particular section is dedicated to managing language preferences and site behavior based on the visitor's browser settings, ensuring that they are redirected to the appropriate language version of your site. Here's the clincher. Within the Automatic Redirection section, you'll see the option to enable language redirection. This is typically a simple toggle or checkbox. You'll want to enable this setting. Go ahead and click on it to turn it on. Once you enable this feature, Shopify will automatically detect the visitor's browser language settings and redirect them to the version of your website that corresponds to their language. And just like that, you've set up automatic site language redirection. It's a straightforward process, but it's an important step in making your online store more accessible and user-friendly. This setting works quietly in the background to enhance the overall experience for your visitors, potentially leading to better engagement and conversion rates on your site. Remember, providing a multilingual experience can be a strong competitive advantage, particularly if you're targeting international markets or communities. With this setup, you've made that process much easier. That's all there is to it, and now your Shopify store is ready to cater to the diverse languages of your audience automatically. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.